If you're serious about getting out there, we've got the perfect product for you, the XTM Air Cruiser Rooftop Tent. Here's how to set it up. Step 1, take off the cover by undoing all the clips and undoing the Velcro. Next step is undo these 3 buckles here. Now, let's grab the ladder. Now, as you can see, you're not going to be sleeping like that. So what you want to do is drop down the ladder a few rungs just by pressing these tabs here. Once you've done that, you'll have these 2 top rungs horizontal. What you want to do, strap them together and secure them. Now this next step, make sure that your tent is nice and stable. We've already got the ladder holding up a bit of the weight, but this next part here, this bracket, pull it across and you'll hear a click. Before we start inflating, make sure that this valve here is pushed out. That's what it looks like in, that's what it looks like out. Pop the cover back on, zip it up. Now we're ready to get this thing inflated. One of my favorite parts about this tent is that it's so easy to inflate. All you need is this cable that comes with it, and it can plug into any 12 volt, whether it's your car or even a battery box. Now there's only one thing left to do, and that's to turn the car on. Now you can hear it start pumping, and you can set the rest of camp up. You can hear it pumping up now, but when you hear 3 beeps, that means it's all done. And there we go, she's all ready. As you can see, it's got this huge front door, which is great for when you're wanting to throw in your sleeping bag, your pillows, your books. You've got a couple of little Velcro straps that'll secure it and keep it nice and open. Now it just shows you how important it is to get a tent set up quickly. The rain has just started rolling in, and when you do open this tent for the first time, you'll find a couple of things. First one is a little boot bag with a vent. You can pop it just in this corner here, clips in. The second thing are these elastic cords that go across the tent. Now, we need these done up when we close the tent so that it pulls it all back in, but when we've got it all set up, you can pretty much just clip these off and tuck them in to the pockets you've got on either side. Now that we're all set up, it's time to show you around the place. And the first thing you'll notice is the height of this roof. Now, I'm not the tallest bloke around, but I can literally almost stand up in here. Now, the other amazing feature is this LED light strip that goes around the whole tent, and it's completely dimmable. Now, I've also got windows all the way around, so you've got heaps of ventilation, and if you park in the right spot, a beautiful view. Well, there you have it. The XTM Air Cruiser Rooftop Tent is an absolute game changer. If you want to check it out, head to bcf.com.au and I'll see you out there.